Fest is a festival which has every color of India. So it has music, it has literature, it has culture, it has dance, it has arts. It's got basically it is like a bridge between the legends and the upcoming artists of the country.
जो इवेंट है लिटो फेस्ट, इट इज़ ऑब्वियसली प्राइमरीली अबाउट लिटरेचर. Literature is about writing, about creating stories, about creating characters who help you in telling those stories, and which is also what script writing is.
Interesting to see that, you know, in the middle of a mall, people who have come here for shopping, drifting in to see what is going on. There's a bit of a tamasha element that it begins, but then they stay on, they linger, and they're watching what is happening. So I guess in many ways it's literature live more than anything else.
Very good work done by Smita ji and Saurabh Daftari ji. Great minds, great intellectuals, great artists come together in a platform where they can showcase their talent. And I think so with these kind of events, these kind of festivals, the whole city, Mumbai, gets lit up with what we are actually. It reintroduces ourselves to us, it reunites us, and that's the best thing.
मेरे लिए एज एन ऑथर मैंने 8 किताबें लिखी हैं. तो ये ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स होते हैं जहाँ पे हम ऑथर्स और हमारे रीडर्स के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर पाते हैं. और आजकल क्या हो रहा है कि बहुत सारे लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं और होना भी चाहिए, लेकिन लिटो फेस्ट, कभी कभी हम इसको लाइटो फेस्ट भी बोलते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल अबाउट लाइट्स.
जो लिखते हैं, जो गाते हैं, जो पढ़ते हैं, तो ऐसे जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं उनके लिए एक अच्छा मौका है आके अपना टैलेंट दिखाने का, अपना हुनर दिखाने का.
Because sharing is growth, growth is evolution. And I was so happy sharing the platform with Rahel Padamsee on one side, Payal Kidwani on the other side.
All the cultures coming together, it's so much positivity in the morning. And it was a great session today with Mickey sir and Ma'am Rahel Padamsee, and it was great being a part of this, you know. So it just gives you a lot of exposure as a person to be in such a fest.
Best part about Little Fest is that it is not just writers, you know. You've got writers, you've got dancers, you've got artists, you've got speakers, you've got singers. So it's an amalgamation of all forms of art. And in the city of Mumbai, which is known to amalgamate people, I think this is a very brilliant stage to be on.
But I really wanted to be a part of this panel because ये नेशन में इतनी आउटरीच है अभी और इतनी एक वो हलचल पैदा हुई है. मेरा एक फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि मैं ऐसे पैनल पर आके कुछ I give something of some words, some feelings that I feel for this topic.